Okay, so now we're going to do multiplication with about 4th grade level math reviews for struggling 4th graders. And we're going to start off with these multiplications, and we're going to start with this first one here, which is going to be 24 times 12. And we're going to go ahead and do the multiplication. It's 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. You bring down your 0. 4 times 1 is 4. And then 1 times 2 is 2. You're going to go ahead and do this addition on this part. And your total is 288. Now, to verify that this answer is correct with this multiplication, you're going to do an X on the side. And then you can go ahead and add 2 plus 4. And it's going to be 6. You're going to put on the top. You're going to add 1 plus 2, which is this bottom one, and that's going to be 3. Now you're going to come here, and you're going to go ahead and add these 3 because you can't have more than one digit on the X. So you're going to have to add 2 plus 8 plus 8. So we're going to do this one first. And 8 plus 8 is 16, and then 16 plus the 2 over here. You can put equals, and it's 18. Again, this is more than one digit, so you're going to add these 2. So it's 1 plus 8 equals 9. So you're going to go ahead and put this answer right here. That's going to be your 9. So now you're going to go ahead and do 6 times 3. So the top times the bottom. 6 times 3 is 18. Again, we're going to have 2 digits. You're going to add these 2. It equals 9. So now you have your answer. So now if these 2 right here are the same number, you're going to have a correct answer. And if you have different numbers here, for instance, a 9 and an 8, that means something went wrong within your problem. So just make sure that these 2 go right, and then you're going to be done with that problem. You can go to the next one. Now we're going to work on our next problem. Our next problem is going to be 32 times 10. And we're going to do that right here, 32 times 10. So now you're going to do your whole multiplication first, of course. You're going to do 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. You can add the 0. You can do 2 times 1, 2, and then 3 times 1. So it's 320. You're going to bring it down. And again, we're doing our X. So you're going to add these 2. So it's 3 plus 2. It's 5. Now you're going to add this bottom one. So it's 1 plus 0 is 1. So now you're going to come down here, and we have more than one digit, so we're going to have to add them all together. 3 plus 2 plus 0, which is right here, 5, and there's 0, so you don't add anything. And you're going to go ahead and bring this one right here, and you're going to do 5. So now it's 5 times 1, 5 times 1. These 2 is 5, so you can do this 5 right here. Again, these do match, so that means that you have the correct answer. Now, one more multiplication, just to make sure we got the hang of it. We're going to go ahead and do 41 times 13. Again, you go ahead and do your multiplication. You can do 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And then you're going to go ahead and do the last one here. It's 1 times 1 is 1. And 4 times 1 is 4. You're going to add on this one. You're going to do 3, 3, and 5. So now your X again, like we said, the first one goes up here. So you can do 4 plus 1, which is 5. Now 3 plus 1, which is 4. So now we're going to come down here. Since we have more than one digit, you're going to go ahead and add these 3 together. So it's 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 3 again is 11. So you're going to have double digits again, so you're going to have to do, again, your addition. So it's 1 plus 1 is 2. So this 2 is going to go right here. And now we're going to do the top times the bottom. 5 times 4 equals 20. We have double digits, so we have to add again. So it's 2 plus 0 equals 2. You're going to come up here and put your 2 right here. Again, we have both 2's. So that means our answer is correct. Again, like I mentioned before, if this happens to be a 1, not a 2, that means something went wrong either with our addition or our multiplication here. So make sure you go back and check. So that's going to be it for the review for our math. If you have any further questions on this, you could go ahead and try to do it with, 3 multiplications with 4. The bigger the number, it doesn't matter as long as you never leave more than one digit here. Always have the digits. If it's 5, like we said, 5 times 4 and it's 20, you're going to add these two together. If it's 3 digits, like we did here, you're going to do the 3 digits together. That's pretty much it. Thank you.